What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create the analog horror video using the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do over here is click the new video, and after that you can start to select the video from your gallery or device. And for example, I will choose it from this library which has been provided by this CapCut. And for example, I will create the clip of a house, and you can choose which one do you prefer. And for example, I will select this one and click add. And after that, I will also remove the ending here, and you can start to do the editing, which is the coloring, guys. Basically, you can start to do the coloring by clicking this adjust, and you can start to play with this stuff. For example, the brightness here, I will start to reduce it, let's say to be -11. And after that, for the contrast, you can also play with this. You'll make it more sheer or very constant like this. And for example, here I will start to change it to be 25 like this. And for the saturation here, I will reduce it totally to become -50. And after that, you can start to jump into the blacks. Here, this is one of the game changer to create the horror ambience, guys. Like this, it's kind of reduce the brightness that surround this area. And for example, for the blacks here, I will reduce it to become -10. And after that, you can also play with the shadow. Which one do you prefer? So basically for this analog, I would like to create it's kind of the video, let's say from the dark web, for example, or from the untouchable website or the mysterious website. So basically this will be the shadow I would like to put it here. Let's say I will make it to the -11 and I will apply to it. And after that, I will start to add some effect. For example, here I will choose the motion blur, and I will also adjust the duration as same as this clip. And another effect gonna be the static morph here. It's kind of the glitch effect. And after that, I will add the opening. You can search for it from this intro and outro. And for example, I will choose the TV on. I will hold it and move it here. And I will slightly reduce the glitch effect. And after that, I will also add the effect, name the closing. I will use the TV off and adjust to it here. And after that, you can start to play it from the first second. Or you can also add the effect before the closing, which mean or will be the freeze, for example. Select it first, and I will find the freeze. This one. So I will remove this one. And move this clip. So this will be the result. The opening and a little bit glitch, and the video is kind of freezing and it's off. So this will be the simple analog horror vibes that you can put into your clip. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment down section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.